Students, good morning to all and all. Today we will like to discuss a new emerging topic in our module, business data analysis, that is social networking analysis. Social networking analysis, simply we notated is as SNA. SNA means social network analysis. That means analyzing various characteristics of the pattern of distribution of a relationship. It's an important tool which is used by some sociologists and psychologists in order to define the relationship between the individual, or to know how far they are related, or to understand the depth of relationship, etc. It analyzing various characteristics of pattern of distribution of relationship and drawing inferences about the network as a whole or about those belonging to it considered as individually or in group. It's called social network analysis. The main aim of this social network analysis is to understand the community by mapping the relationship that connect them as a network, or then trying to draw out key individual or group within the network. It's emerged from the social science branch as a very useful method for studying and how social groups operate or behave or interact in certain ways. It is comprised of individual organization connected by friendship, beliefs, or common interests, or some financial exchanges, or some other variables. These social relationships are considered as a graph or entities from nodes and the edges or connection between them. Social network operate at many levels, from within the families, within the organization, within the panchayats, within the district, and within the state, or within the national wide, and also across the internationally. International relations are there. Now we are discussing these issues regarding this international relationship. Okay, leave it. Now see some of the basic terminologies used in social network analysis. First one, centrality, betweenness, closeness, degree. Centrality is related to people are centered to a person or to a organization or to a phenomenon. Between means in between person. Closeness means some people are close to another. Degree means how far, depth of the relation. See one by one. Centrality is the key term in social network analysis. Highly centralized network is dominated by one individual who control the information and knowledge flow and may become a hub of the communication failure. Okay, people can still pass on information even if some channels are blocked. That is centrality. We know some while we are analyzing some group in our class, we can see this central limit or central point. Centrality is there. The next one, betweenness. Betweenness means betweenness of the node measures the number of paths that passes through each individual. Take five students. So 1 to 1, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 2 to 1, 2 to 3, 2 to 4, 2 to like that. Several metrics we have to pass this information between nodes or between individuals. This can identify the nodes which has an ability to control the flow of information between different parts of the network. This can be called as the gateway nodes. Some informations are passed only through individual, that is gateway nodes. Gateway nodes channels informations to most of others in network if they have many paths running through them. Clear. The next, closeness. Closeness means that measures the extent to which an individual is near to all other individual in a network or in a circle. That exhibit the ability to access information through the network members. How far they are closed, that shows. The next, degree, that is depth. That means the degree of the nodes specifies the number of links to another individual to other individual in the network. Higher the degree of the node, the more influential it is within the network. That the depth of the relation, that shows the depth of the relation. The next some of the applications of social network analysis. We have two broad applications. First one, that is general application. Next one, business applications. See, first one, that is general application of these tool or network analysis. First one, that is urban planning. We are all Indian people. Sustainable urban planning is becoming complicated with multiple systems. We are limited with the resources. We are limited with energy. We are limited with housing and transportation infrastructure, etc. But there are massive quantities of data about cities and their residents and how they use their spaces. So, urban planning or planners need to be adopted to using, they are using big data for analysis. Many cities are using big data. Big data means a high volume of data to convert their municipalities into smart cities. So they are using this social network analysis for urbanization. The next one, that is protecting from the environment. Huge volume of data can help to save the planet, deforestation, remove life-sustaining trees and habitats of other plant and animal species. Big data offers alternative solution to tree cutting so that we can lower our carbon footprints. The next one, that is application, that is public health. We are analyzing this by using big data that allows the scientists to unravel entire DNA sequences in minutes. Thousands and thousands of data are analyzed within a second. This increases the ability to predict a pattern to diseases and malnutrition or mutations. Data from smart watches and wearables devices increases the amount of data health experts can collect. Some hospitals are already using big data technique for monitoring their daily issues. Now we are using these big data analysis to diagnose these COVID issues. The next, poverty reduction. Like organization UNICEF and UNO, big data is used to their success. They can deliver immunization, healthcare, and water and finance and some of the world poorest population by analyzing these big data. They are using these social network analysis. So these are all the important applications in the area of in general. Now we have some application that is particularly in our business. First one, that is creating usable customer intelligence. The next, organizational overall changes is possible through this social network analysis and understanding health behavior. See, first one, that is social network analysis is used for creating usable customer intelligence. That means organizations are generally want to use the social media to understand the behavior of the customers or a specific target group of the people with respect to the organization current or future services. The combination of network mining and the text mining reveals new mixed insights to customer behavior in social media. A good understanding of the segment of social media can make a valuable contribution to the decision about how to shape and how to invest the organization's social media and marketing plans. Now, almost all people are using the same social media in this COVID period for improving their for improving their sales. So next one, that is organizational sales. It helps to reveal strategically important network that can't be found on the formal organization chart. It is used within an organization, that is organizational network analysis instead of social network analysis. we can see that good managers understand the role played by this network and how to use them to maximize or to tap the maximum advantages from this network. In order to strengthen the business perspective, business users cases are grouped into three or four categories. The next, that is understanding health behavior. That means social network analysis provide a perspective of how a society functions. Social network have a tremendous influence on the health behavior of individual. The result from social network analysis can be used by the government for designing health plans, benefit and to take preventive measures during some disease outbreak like COVID. So we are using different applications in order to diagnose, in order to control the movement of the people. And pharmaceutical companies are also target demographic groups and specific markets. Health insurance companies, they can design their insurance plans. So in such a way, government, business and other corporate entities can use these social network analysis for the betterment of their business. So these are all the important applications in particularly in business areas. Many application softwares we have. Spreadsheet and the like softwares are used for data collection. Social network analysis softwares are used for data analysis, and network visualization softwares are used for data visualization or data interpretation, etc., etc. So that's all about the social network analysis and its applications. By these words, let us conclude today's class. Thank you.